Hello all. In this video we will cover some three key concepts in NLP, and they are tokenization, lemmatization and stemming. So we will take one example and we will see the difference between these three. So this is from Wikipedia, and basically these three concepts are like cleaning the data. Okay, so how it is done is like it will break down the entire paragraph into sentences and into small word by word, and it will apply some processing. So we will see that. First of all, we will import the libraries and packages. NLTK stands for Natural Language Toolkit. From NLTK stem import porter NLTK corpus import stop words import RE. Okay, stop words or filter words. So basically we will be applying stop words and we will be removing those words. For example, this as is one of the stop word. So even though if we remove that stop word from our document, it will give a meaning. So we have to remove those things. Now we will initialize porter stemmer and wn. Okay, the first one is a tokenize. Sentence is equal to NLTK dot send tokenizer document. This is sentence tokenization. There are two types of tokenization: sentence and word tokenization. So this is a sentence tokenization. So if I run this, see, now it has been broken down into sentences, list of sentences. Okay, now the next thing is what we have to do is like we have to break it down into word and apply stop words. So for that, for I, we have to loop through the sentences. Okay. Clean sentence equal to so what we'll do is like we will convert everything into lowercase, and we will that is the first step. We have to convert everything into lowercase and remove the special characters. For example, special characters in the sense like other characters like this bracket, this double quotes, these things are not necessary, so we have to remove them. This is a pre-processing one. So how can we remove this? By using this regular expression substitute method. So remove everything other than of A to Z, other than that of small a to z and caps A to Z, other the special characters, we are replacing it with a blank one. Sentences of 5. This is the first one. The next one is converted the cleaned one. Dot lower off. Okay, now if I execute this clean sense, you can see this is the last row. So a popular, so which means that see a popular, this this double quotes, these things has been removed. Okay, now we have to break it down into word by word. That is called as word tokenization. Word tokenize. Word tokenize. So how can we do this? Clean words is equal to and NLTK dot word underscore tokenize of clean sent. Okay, now if I execute this clean words, it will be in this fashion. So it has been tokenized, word tokenized. It has been word by word. On top of this, we will have to apply our stop words, which means like we have to remove the stop words. These stop words can be removed. So for that we have to loop again. Okay, so clean word is equal to and j for j in clean words if j not in set of stop words dot words of English. Okay, now if I go for this clean word, okay, after removing the stop words, this is our final thing, for the last row. So, and top of this we have to apply our stemming, either stemming or lemma. For example, let me apply stemming, ps dot stem of j. Okay, and ps dot stem of j, then the final words equal to clean words equal to dot join of clean word, and we will put everything into one the final one, corpus dot append of clean words. Okay, if I execute corpus, this is the one. Okay, wait. Okay, see now what is stemming. So stemming is like finding the root word of your actual word. So here artificial has been changed to artificial. Okay, this is stemming, and we will see what lemmatization is. So instead of the stemming, now I am changing this to lemmatization. Lemmatize is like wordnet. So wn dot lematize of j. Okay. So now lemmatization. Now if I execute my corpus here, see lemmatization artificial is changed to artificial again. So the lemmatization, stemming and lemmatization is like stemming will break down into, it will try to find the root word, but that will not give any proper meaning. It might end up in giving an improper meaning, whereas lemmatization, it will give that actual proper meaning. That is an example of artificial. So here artificial has been broken into artificial, but here artificial remains the same as artificial, because even if I remove any A or L, it will not give any proper meaning. Okay, and another example is like this cognitive. See, after stemming, what we are using cognate doesn't give any proper meaning, but when we come into lemmatization, so this lemmatization gives us cognitive. So this is a basic difference. So stemming and lemmatization will break down, or it will try to find the root form of your word. Well, lemmatization will give a proper meaning of the word, whereas a corpus will not give a proper meaning. So both has a different purposes. For sentiment analysis, we can use stemming, and for other like chatbots, we can use lemmatization.